Hello viewers, in this tutorial I discuss about the REST API of its login activity and sign up activity. So for that I write code. First I use here is the login example. Okay, so I discuss about autocomplete, then company details and company content, company details, here all XML file I discussed step by step. Now first I discuss about the login activity. For that login activity that I use API. Okay. Then first I use linear layout, and then the layout height and height are transparent. Then gravity is center horizontal. That means centrally horizontal, and orientation is vertical. So first I use scroll view, then in this scroll view I use linear layout, and after that text input layout. Okay, then edit text, then the design activity, and here is the edit and login activity. Okay, that means edit text in login. That means you need to put your password and email. That's the email edit text, and that's the password edit text. Here I use, you see here I use hints as password, and in action ID is login. Okay, then here I use button as sign in and as register. Then I use text view. So here is the preview of this app. Here, here is the preview of this app. That's the preview of this app. Here I also use a eye icon, that's you show password or hide password. Okay, then after that I show you the login Java file or Java code. Here is the login activity. Okay, then oh, here I use email password and failed to login, then email password is string. Okay, so here I also indicate that. After that I use those are find view ID. Okay, then button, you see here is two button, so I set on click listener in this two button. For that here is the attempt login. After that get interface service of this application, and private void login password with retrofit. Okay, because I use retrofit data, then here is all override, and editor put string, those are in edit text. After that public failure, and this application content error, if I put any invalid email or password, then the activity will be show correction error. Okay, so thank you everyone, see you next.